Which synonym belongs to gratuitous? The correct answer is unjustified. Which synonym belongs to galvanic? The correct answer is galvanical. Which synonym belongs to incarcerate? The correct answer is jail. Which synonym belongs to zealot? The correct answer is fanatic. Which synonym belongs to truncate? The correct answer is round down. Which synonym belongs to clavicle? The correct answer is collarbone. Which synonym belongs to sobriety? The correct answer is soberness. Which synonym belongs to anneal? The correct answer is temper. Which synonym belongs to hoax? The correct answer is canard. Which synonym belongs to tutelage? The correct answer is tutorship. Which synonym belongs to quandary? The correct answer is predicament. Which synonym belongs to slight? The correct answer is scornful. Which synonym belongs to hydrophobia? The correct answer is water fright. Which synonym belongs to pervasive? The correct answer is permeating. Which synonym belongs to sublimate? The correct answer is elevate. Which synonym belongs to antecede? The correct answer is forego. Which synonym belongs to innocuous? The correct answer is unharmful. Which synonym belongs to revelry? The correct answer is revelement. Which synonym belongs to balk? The correct answer is refuse. Which synonym belongs to confound? The correct answer is mix up.